Sun video. Spiritually ritual, a very spiritually highly believed, the peaceful place, goddess Bandhevi Maa. Goddess Bandhevi, mother goddess Bandhevi, who is believed as a highly power and peace, prospective goddess, highly believed in Nepalese cultural and philosophy. Meanwhile, when people they get unblessed and people feels that they are unsucceed for anything else, if they able to come this sacred place, and if they worships and give their pujas to the goddess Bandevi, the Bandevi surely gives the spirits and people life being the peacefully people can change, and they used to able to move on the prospective way. This is the religious way, and we used to come in this sacred goddess living place, and sometimes to give the big worshipping pujas and offerings to the goddess. And God has, here is a beautiful statue of the goddess Bandevi, is carved by the rocks, and the meanwhile the screen of the position of the goddess Bandevi is the highly believed is the victorical goddess. She has destroyed to the demons, and this is as a like a symbolic, looks like a Bhairava, and she's smashing demons, and she has standing on the chest of the demon. Here we can see, and she has holding sword, holding trisula, holding one hand. She has cut it and chopped the head of the demon, and she's carrying the head. This is the highly the position of the Shakti. Om Shakti Mata Ban Debhi ki Jai. Jai Shri Maa Ban Debhi. Jaya Maa Ban Debhi.